Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I sold a broken laptop for $120. So let me tell you guys the story of how I recently sold a broken laptop for $120. And no, this is not clickbait, or it's fake, or I scammed someone. And I just want to start off by saying that I'm sharing these stories for inspiration and for people to think outside the box, to think differently, and to approach things differently when they might seem a certain way, and I'll explain what I mean by that. So back in 2017, Arit and I upgraded our laptops because mine was so slow and hers, her previous one, I believe it was an Asus or Acer laptop, it was dying out on her. And she loved this laptop so much. It was an SSD laptop, so it was still a pretty good, fast laptop. Now the issue with it was that the screen was broken. So we had to upgrade laptops and we got new ones. And then that broken one was just kind of just sitting there for a while, doing nothing. Fast forward to now, 2 months ago, maybe May, I got the Craigslist fever again. So, you know how sometimes you don't do stuff for a while and then you pick it up again and then you realize you still love it and you like doing it? That's what's happening with me and Craigslist right now. I love doing Craigslist. I love getting items and flipping them and getting the cash and telling the people to meet me in downtown. Like, I love the whole thing of it. So I sold my old laptop, and I actually sold my mom's old laptop as well. And electronics do really well on Craigslist. And I wanted to sell this broken laptop. The screen was broken, but it would still turn on. But the whole screen was just black. Like, the screen and the computer no longer connected, so you could literally do nothing. To an average person, this laptop is broken. This laptop is useless. So first thing we did was go to a local computer store, computer repair store, and get a quote on how much it would cost to repair. Because I wanted to see, okay, how much is it going to cost me to repair, and then, you know, let's see if I can sell it for more and then make some money on it. Well, we took it to the repair store, and they wanted like $200 to $300 to repair this laptop. Now, this laptop was from 2012, so I didn't think that if I paid $200 to $300 that I was going to be able to sell it for more than that. So we got the quote, but you know, we didn't go through with the repairs, and it kind of just sat on the table there. I knew that if I framed this a certain way that I could still sell this laptop because it would still turn on. It's an SSD laptop, which means it's still a high-end laptop, but the screen wouldn't work, so it was useless to like 99% of the people. So I got the idea to reframe the whole thing. And what I mean by that is when I created the Craigslist listing, I put this out towards computer store owners or people who know computers really well and want like a DIY project. I'll have the listing pop up on the screen on exactly what it said, but basically it was saying outright that this laptop is broken. We still stated the fact that it is broken, but we still stated that it was an SSD. It still had a high capacity. And one of the things that we stated in there is this is a great project. You know, if you are a computer person and you like these kinds of projects, that you could take this on if you had a connection with a computer store owner, or if you are a computer store owner and you already have the part, then this would be a steal for you. So instead of looking at it as, oh, this is broken, this is useless, throw it in the trash, most people would. You want to just rethink that whole thing and say, okay, who would this be useful for? Computer people? Computer store owners? People who are really into tech and wanting to break things down and rebuild them again. So that's exactly who we geared it towards in the listing. And you know, the cool thing about Craigslist is you can put it at a price and then just change it if it doesn't work out. So you can go higher or lower. Generally we start higher and then we go lower. So we started at $120. And I will say that, you know, I was happy to even get $50 off of this broken laptop. But Arit was like, hey, you know what? Let's just try it out. This laptop was an SSD. This was hers. She said it was still fast. If someone just, you know, wanted to take this on as a project, that it would sell. So we listed it for $120. That same day after me listing it, maybe like 5 hours after it went live on Craigslist, we got someone messaging saying that they were interested and they wanted it. Like, they were eager. They were willing to come meet me in downtown and just grab the laptop. So we were like freaking out because we were like so excited that holy crap, you know, someone's gonna buy this broken laptop. Now to them, it's not broken. It's a project. It's a DIY, do-it-yourself thing. But to most people, it's a piece of junk. So this person, after work, drove all the way to us in downtown. We didn't have to go anywhere. We were still sitting in our offices, you know, doing videos and doing whatever we do. And this person came, met us, gave us $120 in cash. We gave it to them. They had no problem with it because in our Craigslist listings, we state everything up front. Like, I don't hide anything. I didn't sell it as, oh, the screen might work or anything like that. I said it is broken. It is not connected. It doesn't work. So you always want to be truthful and honest when you're doing these listings. And there you go. $120 cash in hand for what 99% of the people would say is broken junk, and they would like bring it to a recycle depot or something. So I just wanted to share this true story with you guys to create inspiration and motivation for you that things aren't always as they seem, and you can always reframe something to still get something out of it. Alright guys, well that was it. That is my Craigslist story. As I said, I'm obsessed with Craigslist right now. I don't know what it is. You know, I left it for a little bit, was doing it sort of randomly here and there, but now it's like, I love it again. So I will be doing more videos on the Craigslist deals that I do because, you know, it's something that everyone can do. And it's local. Like, you can find items locally and do the deals locally, and you get like the cash in hand, and it's not hard. Like, it's not something that's complicated. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. Back from the dead.